Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Baseus Spacemate 11-in-1 docking station. A powerhouse designed to cater to the needs of multi-monitor enthusiasts and power users alike. The Baseus Spacemate docking station is crafted for those looking to create an extensive multi-monitor setup with ease. Featuring two HDMI and two DisplayPort sockets, it supports up to three 4K displays simultaneously at 60 Hz. This capability opens up a world of possibilities for productivity and immersive work environments. Built with a robust aluminum frame, the Spacemate docking station not only looks sleek but also ensures stability on your desk. It includes a unique sticky pad at the base for added grip, though the adhesive's longevity can vary with use. In terms of connectivity, it boasts a variety of ports including USB-C with 100W power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, gigabit Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. However, it does miss out on an SD card slot, which might be a downside for some users needing comprehensive port versatility. Setting up the Spacemate is straightforward, thanks to its plug-and-play functionality. A notable feature is the screen lock button, ideal for privacy and quick security when stepping away from your workspace. The front-facing digital display provides real-time status updates on connected ports, enhancing user convenience. While it excels in multi-monitor setups for Windows users, macOS compatibility is somewhat limited, restricting its full potential on Apple devices. Users might experience issues with extending displays beyond a certain configuration. In conclusion, the Baseus Spacemate 11-in-1 docking station is tailored for users seeking a robust solution for multi-monitor setups. Its solid build, extensive display support, and user-friendly features make it a compelling choice for Windows users looking to enhance their workspace productivity. However, potential buyers should consider its limitations in port versatility and macOS compatibility when making their decision. That wraps up our review of the Baseus Spacemate 11-in-1 docking station. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.